Welcome to Kenya, a wild land where nature beckons and wild hearts blend into the rhythm of life. Under the brilliant golden light of the sun, the vast plains of the Masai Mara stretch endlessly, where the shadows of dawn gently creep in, bringing with them the silent figures of lions lurking, waiting for the moment to strike. Their sharp eyes lock onto unsuspecting prey, ready for a dramatic, fierce, and challenging hunt. Each year, nature kicks off the Great Migration, a miraculous journey of over 1 million grazing animals, crossing the pristine grasslands of Kenya in search of lush green pastures. When the rainy season returns, the wetlands transform into a magnificent paradise, filled with the pink hues of flocks of flamingos, casting gentle shadows on the water that reflects perfect images. This is the wild Kenya, where magnificent migrations, fierce hunts, and eternal dances of survival unfold, painting a vivid picture of intense wildlife. Join nature a moment in exploring the wondrous wild beauty of Kenya, where every moment is filled with vibrant life and captivating stories. The Masai Mara, a vast expanse of over 5,180 square miles, basks under the scorching sun of Kenya, where life and death intertwine in an endless cycle. This is where the Great Migration takes place, one of the largest animal migrations on Earth. Over 1 million wildebeests and 200,000 zebras will begin their relentless journey northward, traversing arid lands in search of lush pastures and new water sources. But this journey is far from easy. The sun blazes down, and the ground scorches beneath the resilient footsteps of these animals. A cloud of dust swirls in the air as they continue their trek. Yet nothing can deter the desire to live, and the lush grasslands ahead are the reward waiting for them. Wildebeests and zebras walk side by side, each species with its own grazing habits, creating a perfect harmony that serves as a reminder of nature's miraculous balance. Have you ever wondered what allows these animals to coexist so peacefully? The answer lies in the intricacies of their survival strategy. However, the greatest challenge is yet to come. All paths lead to the Mara River, where a true test awaits. The rivers may seem tranquil, but beneath the surface, fierce Nile crocodiles lie in wait, ready to ambush unsuspecting prey. Life here is an unending battle, where every step must be fought for survival. The animals plunge into the Mara River, the waters churning, and only the strongest can make it across. But not everyone is so fortunate. The price of life can be death right where life is born, as massive crocodiles lurk beneath the water, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. On this journey, only resilience and survival instincts can guide the animals through these harsh challenges. The Nile crocodiles, with terrifying precision, seize the weak and unfortunate, dragging them into the depths. Even for those who manage to survive the watery death, danger still lurks on the other side of the river. Predators lie in wait, hidden in the shadows. Lions, the undisputed kings of the savannah, choose the perfect moment to attack, targeting the exhausted or those straying from the safety of the herd. Meanwhile, leopards, with their incredible agility, seize every opportunity to chase down young or weak prey, bringing them down in mere seconds. The Great Migration is not only one of Africa's 7 natural wonders, but also the foundation of the vast savanna ecosystem. The annual journey of herds of wildebeests, zebras, and other grazing animals is not only a spectacular sight, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. As these species move across the grasslands, they are not just searching for food. They also enrich the soil, providing nutrients for new grass to grow. These lush plains sustain countless other animal species. Furthermore, these migrating herds also become a vital food source for predators, ensuring the fragile balance between hunter and prey. This is a symphony of nature where each step and every breath is a testament to strength, resilience, and an endless desire to survive. In the sun-scorched grasslands of Kenya, Grevy's zebras move gracefully under the blazing heat. Their vibrant black and white stripes reflect the sunlight, while their large, round ears function as natural fans, helping them detect faint sounds of danger. Standing up to 5 feet tall and weighing between 770 to 990 pounds, Grevy's zebras are the largest species of zebra. However, their numbers have plummeted from around 15,000 in the year 1970 to only about 1,600 to 2,100 today. This decline partly reflects the reduction of the vast grasslands they once inhabited, as humans increasingly encroach upon their habitat. The rise in human activity and livestock grazing has depleted crucial sources of forage and water, forcing Grevy's zebras to compete fiercely for survival. Furthermore, prolonged drought, exacerbated by climate change, adds to the challenges faced by this zebra species, compelling them to wander through parched grasslands in search of food. Their narrow stripes not only help distinguish them from other zebra species, but also serve as excellent camouflage to evade predators. Their large and sensitive ears are a vital adaptation that enables them to detect danger in the open environment. Despite their remarkable endurance, Grevy's zebras face a significant threat from poaching, as their hides and fat are exploited due to misguided beliefs in their medicinal properties. This has led to a further decline in their population. Conservation efforts, particularly in reserves like the Saru National Reserve, are tirelessly working to protect the remaining individuals. However, the road to recovery remains fraught with challenges. The sounds of Grevy's zebras still echo across the grasslands, but their future is becoming increasingly uncertain. In a harsh and challenging environment, the greater kudu stands out as a majestic symbol of East Africa's wild nature. This animal, one of the largest and rarest antelopes in Africa, moves like a ghost through the mist. With a height of up to 5 feet at the shoulder and a weight that can reach 700 pounds, the greater kudu embodies the grace of an ancient creature, blending into its habitat as if it were an inseparable part of it. The impressive spiral horns of the male, reaching up to 5 feet long, are not only a natural crown, but also a sign of silent dominance in the dense forests surrounding the lakes in the Rift Valley. Under the dense canopies of Kenya's forests and the expansive grasslands, another powerful creature, the African buffalo, stands as a symbol of strength and resilience. These massive herbivores are among the strongest animals in Kenya's wetlands, with muscular bodies and large horns, embodying the very essence of power and endurance. From a distance, herds of buffalo move like an unstoppable force, reaching lengths of up to 10 and 8/10 feet, and weighing nearly 2,000 pounds, making them a formidable challenge, even for the most experienced predators. With their sturdy, curved horns, African buffalo not only use them to fend off powerful lions and fierce hyenas, but also to form a defensive circle around their young, protecting them from danger. This is an excellent cooperative strategy that showcases the resilience and spirit of unity within this species. It has enabled them to survive the relentless challenges of nature. The African buffalo is not only a model of strength, but also a lesson in solidarity and mutual protection during difficult times. We can learn from these animals that in life,